Here's the setup. It's a baby Sanctified, so I've only got a 2-strand core. At the bottom is a simple cow's hitch, and at the top, what I've done is I've got my cord. It's gone underneath like that and back on itself like that. Okay, this is going to be the locking knot. I've got my orange cord. I found the halfway point, and all I'm going to do is pull it out like that. And now what I'm going to do is tighten everything up. So I'm just going to put my thumb and forefinger underneath the buckle and pull that tight. Do the same on the other side. Just pull that up nice and tight like that. What I'm going to do is get the left hand side blue. It's going to go up through the middle and out that side. The right hand blue going to go up through the middle and out the other side like that. Then I'm going to get the orange cord. Left hand, it's going to go underneath everything, underneath this X piece here as well, and it's going to go through that hole up there like that. I'm going to do the same with the right hand cord. Goes underneath everything and out that hole up there. Then I'm going to get my type 1 cord, which is the Endless Falls part of the bracelet. Find the halfway point, and it's going to go underneath these 2 middle cords here like that. And now I'm going to tighten everything up. So just carefully pull everything up. The thing about this bracelet, if you want to get it good and consistent, is go slowly. Just pull everything together nice and tight and be consistent with it all. And then we up and out the right hand side, up, out the left hand side. Orange cord underneath everything, underneath this X, and back it out through this hole here like that. Same on the other side, as underneath everything, back it out through this side here like that. Now the white cords goes down through the middle like this, goes down through the middle, up, and comes out the left like this, and then goes out the top. And the right hand cord does the same. It goes down underneath these 2 blue pieces here and out the other side. Put it up out the way. It looks a real mess, but it will look awesome when you finished it. And then we slowly and carefully line everything up again. I like to pull on the white cords first, pull that up, and then pull the rest. Like that, and then we do it again. Right, so I'm near the end and it's getting a bit tight now. So I took it off the jig and I'm going to use my needle nose pliers to finish off. Hopefully that'll do it. Okay, these are my fingers at the moment. These are my needle nose pliers. Right, I've got a hole there. Right at the bottom. Let's see if I can do one more. Right, so there you go. That is the bottom. I think it looks quite good like that actually. Now what I'm going to do is snip and singe the orange ones on the side like that. The white cords I just poked down through the hole, the remaining space there. Flip it over, and this is the last piece of the weave, and I've basically tucked everything under this piece here, the white cords and the blue cords there, and now I'm just going to snip and singe the whole lot and I'll get back to you. There you go, that's how I finished it off. I don't know if that's the right way, but it's the way I did it on this one. I'm sure there's a better way of doing it, and if I find a better way, I shall show you. But yeah, that is a first try at a Sanctified Endless Falls Paracord bracelet. So how much cord did I use? I started off with 8 feet and finished up with 7 feet of blue, 6 feet of orange, and about 4.5 feet of white. Hope that helps. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I see you in the next one. Oh yeah, you might have seen the obvious mistake.